Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be producing some aluminum oxide from aluminum sulfate, which can be found at hardware stores. Aluminum oxide is a very useful refractory material, and it is also used as a catalyst for some reactions, so it is good to have on hand. To begin, we can dissolve 1.7 kilograms of aluminum sulfate in a bunch of water. Next, we can slowly add 2,500 grams of baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, to fully react with the aluminum sulfate and form aluminum hydroxide. This releases significant carbon dioxide, so it should be done in a well-ventilated area, and the addition must be done slowly. The mixture became somewhat thick during the addition, so additional water was added as necessary. After fully reacting, the aluminum hydroxide mixture was added to a large pot to boil down. After boiling dry, the pot was heated to sufficiently decompose the aluminum hydroxide to aluminum oxide. Once this was done, some water was added to the mixture to dissolve the sodium sulfate and leave the aluminum oxide in suspension. The solution was heated and stirred to ensure all the soluble compounds were dissolved. Afterward, the aluminum oxide was allowed to settle out, and the solution was filtered through a coffee filter in the bottom of a large funnel. The aluminum oxide was rinsed with some water, and then placed in a steel baking tin and heated in a toaster oven to fully dry the powder. Once it was dry, it was broken up, ground in a blender, and placed in a jar for storage. In total, 450 grams of aluminum oxide was obtained, corresponding to an 88.8% yield based on the starting aluminum sulfate. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.